restaurant industry is really growing rapidly. रोज नए रेस्टोरेंट खुल रहे हैं, पर at the same time, रोज बंद भी हो जाते हैं within a couple of months. When we were opening our restaurant, I studied कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, कि बंद क्यों हो जाते हैं. What I realized was बंद इसलिए होते हैं because the food quality is not consistent. Because restaurants survive with repeat customers. When the repeat customer comes, he has a preconceived taste, literally a taste in his mind, कि वहाँ पर दाल मखनी खाई थी वो वैसी थी, या वहाँ quesadillas खाए थे वो वैसे थे. Now, these things will only be the same if you standardize your recipes. कोई sauce मीठी होती है, कोई sauce थोड़ी सी खट्टी होती है. So to keep the taste consistent, the quality or the brand of soya sauce, which may be more salty in a Chinese dish, the same garam masala, which the garam masala may taste the change of the biryani, stick to the same brands which your customer is liking. Of course, if you see the feedback and you feel you need a change, it's fine. Otherwise, stick to the same brands so that the quality is consistent and the customer is not, he doesn't compare कि last time better था और इस time अच्छा नहीं है. Secondly, even the portion size I have seen matters a lot. But the portion size really depends on the place where you've opened your restaurant. Like in Ludhiana, we were, Delhi people. When we used to go to a restaurant, I remember going to a restaurant and, इतनी बड़ी plate में इतना सा खाना आया. वो अच्छा लगा. We didn't complain about it. But in a place like Ludhiana, where we have people coming from, a whole joint business families are there, तो पोते से लेके दादा तक, बीच में बेटे, बहू, सब इकट्ठे आते हैं. 10-10, 8-8, 10-10 लोग इकट्ठे आते हैं. You can't just offer 4 small paneer tikkas. It's better to give 8 and increase the price a little. But at least they feel satisfied कि आपको कुछ quantity आई है table पे. So the portion size is very important. And thirdly, for this, I feel the audits are very important. Normally, when I first started the restaurant, I would be auditing it once a month. But I thought that was not right. I soon realized it should be done weekly. Sometimes the restaurants also go out of business because you can't meet the food costs are too high. Now, how can we reduce the food costs? Here you can use the indigenous Indian ingredients. There's no need. Our Indian companies have made the ingredients according to our Indian palate. So they gel very well with our palate. So there's no harm in using these. Just standardize those. You can cut the food costs. Design your recipes in such a way that so much cheese is not needed, so much paneer is not needed, because you can add vegetables to it to make it healthier. So try and make your dishes, cut the food cost by reducing the amount of the main ingredient, which is expensive, in your dish. Paneer recipes were just 4 or 5, and that was not enough because you have repeat customers. It's better to increase the variety in the category which you feel the customers are going to order. So that's what I did. I increased my paneer dishes. And the menu should be very user-friendly. Whether the menu is for a restaurant or for my cookbooks or for my culinary academies, I see to it that not too many technical terms are used. Yes, they are fascinating for a while, but then they are not user-friendly. यहाँ तक मैं अपनी किताबों में जीरे को जीरा ही लिखती हूँ, cumin नहीं लिखती. किसी भी चीज़ कैरम सीड्स को अजवैन नहीं लिखूंगी, बिकॉज द अदर पर्सन शुड अंडरस्टैंड उस डिश में क्या आ रहा है. अगर मैं कैरम सीड्स लिख देती हूँ या मैं क्यूमिन लिख देती हूँ, एवरीवन डजंट फॉलो दैट, बिकॉज हम घर में तो जीरा अजवैन ऐसी बातें करते हैं. सो मेक द मेन्यूज यूजर फ्रेंडली विच दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एंड I was going through the net to read the trends and all. So what I saw was in these write-ups, it was that place the dishes which have which are cheapest to make at the top of the menu. I disagree totally. I feel put your best dishes on the top. And of course, take some help from a food expert who can reduce the food cost. As I said, cut down on the paneer, cut down on the cheese. Too much of paneer, too much of cheese is not going to help. So here you are definitely cutting the cost of the dish by reducing the amount of vegetables. So put your best dishes on the top, but try and see that you can reduce the cost without compromising on the taste. Take the help from food experts who will help you do this. And have a good day. Thank you so much.